the state of that.
Right, that's us ready to go now. Just waiting on the baler man. By God, they are solid. I think there was concrete in there. Morning and welcome back to this week's video and silage part 2. Now, at the end of the last video, I did say that we'd pick it up with the 390T on the rake and we would be droning that, and well, none of that happened. Well, the 390T was on the rake, the silage has been rolled up, but I just missed it. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, so the video starts now with us gearing up to go collect the bales from the out farm. We need a fleet of stuff for this job. We have trailers, bale lifters, loaders, tractors, the whole kit is out. We just need a few drivers. So yeah, so that's where the video starts. Sorry about the 390T been missing off the drone. Yeah, just wasn't here. Anyway, that's the start of the video. Hope you like it. Okay, single bale lifter on 390T, done. Now going to go and put the bale trailer on the 6265. Then I gotta go with the double bale lifter on the 62. That's the 3075. Some of these days I'll get this right. 3075 onto the trailer, 6265 onto the double bale lifter, and then 6290 onto the big bale trailer. Let's get that done. Forgot about fuel. Before we get into all that, need some fuel. Forgot about that. Right, that's us ready to go now. Just waiting on the baler man. So we have bale lifter on the back of 390T, have our bale trailer on the back of the 3075, have the double bale lifter on the back of the 6265, and we have our neighbour's big trailer. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 8 plus 2, and I think that takes 10, that trailer. So that's his big trailer, 10. The only thing is, I can't get the lights wired up because the brake is there and the light thing is over there. So I might have to undo this here. If you can see that, I might have to undo this and put that over there for the lights. I'll have to do that actually because I need the lights on the road. But yeah, that's us geared up now. Silage and going picking up. And then I also have today's thumbnail. What about that? Classic silage. There we go. Right. And now I get a cup of tea, and I think the baler man's coming shortly, so we'll be ready to go. When all the main tractors are out at work, there's actually quite a lot of space in here now. Just the, well, we don't really use the 290 because the hydraulics aren't right on it, but if it was fixed, we would use it. These other two are for play, really. So, but after 1200, 290's next. Right, what I'm at now is I'm going to go down and get the big trailer. We call the Fraser the big trailer because it is, I think, 13 foot long by 7.5 wide. So we'll be able to get 6, 7, 8 bales on there. So that's another trailer that we can get in, and that'll be 3 trailers carting. However, it's been sitting full of logs for the last 6 months, I don't know. So I'm going to have to toss them off, take the sides off, and then we're good to go. So we'll go get the trailer hooked on and tip this load of logs off. I love the noise of this tractor. Don't make them like this anymore. Right, we're missing, what do you call it, jack or support, and the old one is over here, which is rotten, I think so. See that, state of that. So we're going to make a new one out of a 40 footer. And that should be strong enough. Yeah, I can even bend that with my hand. That's how bad that is. The state of that. Anyway, new jack. Right, while Mr. Fabrication is fabricating there, I'll explain a little bit about this. When we rebuilt this Fraser, we left these holes in it now. Anybody who probably has a trailer or a similar trailer will know what the idea behind this is. We're trying to, well, what we will do is make a bale extension for this trailer. And I said earlier, I think this trailer is 13 foot long, so you get 3 bales down. So if we add another 3 foot to this trailer, we would get 4 bales down, 4 bales down, and 3 bales on top. And that would be a mighty job on that trailer. So at some point, we'll make a bale extension for the trailer. But at the minute, we're just fixing the front jack or front support when you hook the trailer off. Right, there we go. This is the new stand for the trailer, which that is manufactured. Now, needs painted, but don't have time to paint it today because the guys are here already baling. So we'll put it on and then we'll take it back off maybe tomorrow when we're in less of a hurry and give it a coat of paint. But that looks the job. And Anybody who's a HGV driver will automatically recognise that, because that is the bottom of a leg of a 40-foot trailer. Yeah, that is the job. Ready? Right. Let's take this on. Moment of truth. Aye. If you can get me a yard pin, that'll be that. That's a wee bit long, but it'll be alright.
Huh?
You can catch the weed anyway. I don't think, no, it won't.
You know them one tank caps even.
Aye.
Graft caps.
Yeah, I'm just to hold it in.
I think I have yard caps in.
Super. There we go. Job done. Wee pin all made for it, and allows it to swivel back and forward. Good strong job. That will definitely not bend in the too distant future. That's about maybe slightly over-engineered, but anyway, that's a great job. That super. Right, okay, so the baler men are here, and the glasses on. Start again. Baler men are here. I got a couple of shots of the baler and the tractor going past, and then we'll start carting bales. But I think Dad wants to finish this field and then cart from the out farm back, and then we can cart these bales in later because we're not on the road. He wants to do that first, but anyway, we're started. That's the main thing. Right, so I've kicked off baling, and the McHale has spat out a couple of bales. By God, they are solid. I think there was concrete in there. Holy smokes. That's one thing about those balers, they seem to punch up a good bale anyway. Yeah. Okay, we'll go and get some bales moved. I have to say, the 390T does look well. Bit of red paint makes a big difference. Anyway, lots of red paint around here today. Red paint up there, red paint over there. Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Right, first load of bales back, dropped off, and we'll go get the other trailer on and go pick up the next load. So Dad's going to come over on the forklift now, start unloading that and stacking that. By that time, my brother will be over with the load, so he's just going to stay on the forklift and starts and stack them, and we'll just keep bringing them over. Right, just checking I have lights. Yep, lights on the front. That's the job. And good load of bales on. And lights on the back. Right, good to go. Right, what we're doing here is actually just taking these bales off this trailer, keeping this trailer on the tractor because I don't want to take the big trailer over. I'll leave that, probably over with the other trailer. He'll drop that off and then pick up this big trailer again. This big trailer holds 10 bales. The Fraser holds 8. So I'm just going to keep the Fraser on. And I actually quite like the Fraser trailer on the road. It's got brakes, it's got lights. Yeah, better trailer for this job. If I had the extension, even better trailer. Well, someday maybe. Anyway, that's going to lift these off and then I'll get going again. No! No! Ah! I think that's broke actually. Bollocks. Anyway. Right, better go. I'm not sure you can see it, but it's pretty dark. But yeah, I've got our load of 8 bales on. 3075.
Just having a tea break here. Well, not much of a break, but one brought some sandwiches. So I'm having that while I try and find the gate in the dark. Where's that bloody gate? Oh, right past it. Idiot. Right, better with this sandwich thing. Right, there we go. It's pretty level. Should get out alright.
Good lights on the 62, 65. Not 62, 65. 3075. Yeah, so good lights on the 3075. Have to find the gear out of this field now. There it is.
That's the last load for tonight, I think. Turn the back lights off. That's the front. That's the front. The beacon on. There we go. Yeah, so that's it. I'm not going to be carting any more silage tonight. It's now, what time is that? 10:30. So yeah, this is the last load for tonight, as I said. But there's another couple of loads left in the field. I think there's another 9 and 10, so that's 19. There's 19 bales left in the field. We had 95 according to the baler man, so yeah, so we did well there today in the time that we had. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that you can't see me. You're probably not that bothered. You're probably not that bothered. But then I can't see you, so that's us even. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It does help the channel move along. And yeah, so that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.